Hi, welcome to this video on how to cancel your Canva Pro Team subscription. First, log in to your Canva Pro account. In the top right corner, click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Settings at the bottom. This will take you to your main settings page where you can find your account details, including your profile, billing information, and plans. On the left-hand side, click on Billing and Plans. This will direct you to your subscription page, where you can see your payment details. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Canva Teams. This is where your Canva Pro Team subscription is managed. On the left side, you'll see 3 dots. Click on those dots to reveal 3 options: Cancel, Manage Plan, and Update Payment Method. For this tutorial, we'll focus on canceling the Canva Pro Team subscription. Click on Cancel Plan. You'll then be asked to confirm if you really want to cancel. Click the red bar that says Continue Cancellation. Next, you'll be directed to a page asking for the reason you're canceling your plan. Select your reason, then click Continue Cancellation. Finally, you'll be given the option to pause your subscription. But if you're set on canceling, click the red bar labeled Cancel Subscription. Your subscription will then be canceled, and that's how you cancel your Canva Pro Team subscription. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.